How are you, fellow traders? Let me take you through the process that you are supposed to follow when you are registering your account for the first time, or you want to upgrade to your account. Here are the steps that you are supposed to follow. When you are new to online forex trading, or you are new to Deriv, you will simply click the link in the description section of this video. After clicking the link, you are supposed to place your email address and then click create account. After that, you are supposed to go to your email inbox, and then you can see a welcome message from Deriv and click activate. If you are not able to click the activate, you can copy the link which is in red and then paste it on Google, and then it can lead you to your Deriv account and your email will be activated successfully. Soon after that, you are supposed to log in. After logging in, you are supposed to click the three lines at the top left corner. After clicking the three lines at the top left corner, look for the Traders Hub. After clicking the Traders Hub, you are supposed to select Real under Traders Hub in the rectangular box which is there, and then click CFDS. After clicking CFDS, click Get on the right side of Standard, which is in red, and then select St. Vincent as your server. After clicking that, St. Vincent, you then click Next. After clicking Next, you can be asked to put your password of choice, and then you are supposed to write that password somewhere. We encourage traders to use universal password. When I say universal password, the password that you regularly use is the password that you are supposed to use again. After that, follow the instructions. If you face any challenges, you can inbox me. There is also a link to my WhatsApp number, which is also available in the description section, and then I can help you to create your account for free. And after that, you are ready to go. You click open, or you can simply copy the login details, which can be shown to you after you are fully, or you completed filling all the necessary forms or spaces which were there. After that, you click MetaTrader 5, the MT5 in your phone, and you can click the plus sign. After clicking the plus sign, you can look for the server or the Deriv name which was given to you when you created your account. Mostly it's a Deriv SS SVG LLC.